Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML and CSS faster. Begin by mastering the fundamental HTML tags and their proper nesting. Simultaneously, delve into CSS to understand how styles are applied using selectors and properties. Consistent, hands-on practice with small, achievable projects is crucial for solidifying your understanding and building muscle memory. Don't just read, actively code. Once you have the basics, immediately apply your knowledge by building real-world projects. Start with something manageable, like a simple personal portfolio or a basic landing page. Challenge yourself to recreate the layouts of websites you admire. This helps you deconstruct complex designs. Always consider responsive design from the outset, ensuring your creations look great on screens of all sizes. To accelerate your learning, explore powerful tools and advanced techniques. Dive into CSS frameworks such as Bootstrap or Tailwind CSS to streamline your styling process and build consistent interfaces quickly. Understand how preprocessors like Sass or Less can enhance your CSS workflow with variables and functions. Master your browser's developer tools for efficient debugging and inspecting elements. Web development is an ever-evolving field, so continuous learning is key. Stay informed about new HTML features and CSS properties as they emerge. Actively participate in online communities and forums. Asking questions and helping others reinforces your knowledge. Remember to check the description below for links to helpful resources, including some great deals on smart speakers and other tech to enhance your workspace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.